very good balance of visual impact is extremely important, and it has to grab the attention of the eye, and your content has to be relevant. See, business today became number one in a very, very short span at that time. Okay, so that is one integral part, I think, of my success, of what I learned as a journalist. So today everything I do, whatever I guide, I always say, boss, ye relevant ek hona chahiye, you know, to the audience. It can't be what we both like within the agency, and it can't even be sometimes be just what a client wants you to do. We need to work together, and we need to convince the client, and we need to also be very careful that what we like we don't sell. We sell what is making the impact, both visually and from a content perspective. Even within my organization, I think today we must be having 30% women, okay? You know, and it's not like we won't hire a woman, but it's not like those kind of resumes have come in, okay? So, I do feel, you know, as much as I hate to say it, and you know, I've always lived believing that there is equality, I do sense there is a bias. Definitely, you know, women are not given the equal opportunity. You know, when I was two sisters, you know, we were two sisters in my family, so I never realized. But today I do realize much more than I ever did that there is a definite bias even in metros, you know, let alone small towns. You know, women are not allowed to progress, be it even work hours, be it the kind of education they want to pursue, be it the kind of career they want to pursue, and if they are married, they are, you know, there can be a male dominance, and they can be made to feel that you're not good enough. Like I know of business owners where, you know, it's a couple who's owning, and though I can very much see that it's the woman who's leading the show, all the credit the man takes away, and there is competition internally within the house. So at a certain level, men were expected to earn and women were supposed to manage. I think the society is not yet ready to deal with the fact that women can also earn and men can manage the house. I think men need to take an initiative, and you know, it's not the women alone. Men definitely need to accept that, you know, women can be their equal and can be better, can be their bosses. Yeah, in fact, you know, here I would like to say that it should be men and women need to manage their work-life balance. How I personally do it, you know, I ensure that I always lived close to my office, okay? I really work towards that at every step, and I ensure that I travel for a minimal time. I also travel during non-peak hours, okay? As much as it might sound, you know, even my appointments, you know, I try my best that I'm not on the road, okay? And I feel that when you made up your mind that that's how you're going to work, it happens. It's not a big challenge. And I also allow, you know, not only I myself work out of home when required, I also allow our entire employee base, male and female, to do this. They can work out of home. We have flexible working hours, you know, and like we have one of our account directors, she's a mother of 2 kids who's 6 and 5. So she leaves every day at 5, and it's understood, and we know that only once in a while she can be, you know, working after us. And you know, so long as you're ready and you made up your mind, you know, I think flexibility in work hours is one thing that can really help. I think wireless, on the go, on your handset, on whatever device you're carrying, and more customized, personalized.